Co-ops give undergraduate students a chance to work in their field of study. For over 20 years, Z-Axis has continuously provided co-ops to engineering students from local colleges. Originally, all our co-ops were in design engineering. Today, they're in both design and manufacturing engineering. The process begins with an on-campus interview. We ask students what they've done with electronics besides what's in their school curriculum. We also administer a quiz that most applicants fail. The successful applicants are invited to join us at our manufacturing facility. Some companies assign their co-ops menial tasks, but Z-Axis takes a different approach. We mentor our co-ops, give them meaningful work, and ask them to work hard in exchange for all that they'll learn. Typically, our co-ops spend more time testing than anything else. They learn how to use an oscilloscope, perform temperature testing, and test prototypes and products. They also build and solder test fixtures. In addition, co-ops learn how to design circuits by working with our engineers. They'll also learn how to program firmware. Co-ops in mechanical engineering learn to perform CAD work and run our CNC mill, which Z-Axis uses to machine metal and plastic parts for prototypes and fixtures. Michael Allen, Z-Axis's president and co-owner, mentors co-ops and provides benchtop training, including a 3-part series about capacitors. He'll even cut some apart to reveal their structure. At the end of a co-op, Z-Axis gives each student a grade. The students also grade us, which helps us in our continuous improvement efforts. Z-Axis believes strongly that students who co-op with us become better engineers. Some go on to work for smaller companies, and others join large companies with names you'd recognize. Either way, co-ops play an important role in our daily operation.